Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP. Today we'll see one of the important topic in NLP is like reviewing the numbers from the text. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this topic, guys, which we are going to discuss today, that is removing the numbers from the text. Okay, so before we discuss this, so let's take an example. So let's see, like I will just mention some text, like I have 4 apples and if I cut them into 2 pieces, if I cut them into 2 pieces each, it will become 8 apples. So this is the example, guys, like which I am trying to take an example in order to understand. Okay, see here you can see the numbers like 4 and here there is a 2 and here there is 8. Okay, so now we'll try to write a function and we'll try to execute it. So once we execute this, so whenever we give the input having the numbers, and it will throw an output without the numbers. Okay, so let's see like how to write that particular function. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just try to define a remove. So we are going to remove the numbers, remove number from the text. Okay, so here we are trying to remove the number from the text. Okay, so here I will give it as a colon, and here what we are doing is here we are trying to find the result which is not having the numbers. So result is equal to what we are doing, removing the number from the text, b plus, try to close this, and here we'll try to give and here we'll try to give some space, and here it will be a text. Okay, so now finally we have to return the result. Okay, so now what we'll do is like we'll try to give some input underscore sentence, and here I will try to give the sentence. You can give any example, guys. Here I have just taken an example of apples. Okay, and I will just try to copy this and I will just try to paste it here. Finally we are going to get the result. Remove number from the text. So the text is input underscore sentence. Okay, so before this, first we have to import the regular expression. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. So here the input is I have 4 apples, and if I cut them into 2 pieces each, it will become 8 apples. So here after removing the number from the particular input sentence, here you can see I have apples, and if I cut them into pieces each, it will become apples. Okay, so here first I have imported the regular expression, and and afterwards I have defined the function remove number from the text. After that the result will be a regular expression, dot sub, and here you can see we are trying to remove the number from the text and we are returning the result, and finally we are giving the input. Here I have just taken example of input underscore sentence. Here you can replace it with anything, you can replace with as text or something. So I have just taken an example of input underscore sentence, and I have given some text like I have 4 apples, and if I cut them into 2 pieces each, it will become 8 apples. And finally we are removing the number from this particular input underscore sentence, and if I run this, here you can see I have apples, and if I cut them into pieces each, it will become apples. Okay, so this is how you try to remove the number from the text. Okay, so this is one of the basic concept in NLP. We will try to understand more about the NLP in the coming videos. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and love. Thank you. Bye bye.